In this guide, I'll walk you through saving your Firebase Studio project to your computer in just a few steps. We'll keep it simple and fast. Step 1. Launch Firebase Studio in your web browser and sign in using your primary Google account. It's important this is the main account active in your browser to prevent any problems. Step 2. Locate and select your project. After opening it, navigate to the Explorer panel on the left side. Here you will see all the code files for your applications. Step 3. Perform a right-click on your project's main folder. An option labeled Zip and Download will appear. Select it and your project will begin downloading as a compressed zip file. Step 4. After the download finishes, find the zip file on your machine and unzip it. For Windows, right-click and choose Extract All. On a Mac, simply double-click the zip file. Step 5. Open the new unzipped folder. Right-click on a source file and pick Open with Code to launch it in Visual Studio. Code, you can use Cursor or a different code editor if you like.